teacher that enlightened us, gave us a vent so important what frightened us, spoke our minds in the form of rhyme, learned through hip-hop that there'll be no scribe.
How we stole our music, I can hear our history through hip-hop, this became clear to me. Now I use my mind and I search for more, but how could we South Africa ignore?
We didn't use hip-hop to our own perspective, that's why today we treat hip-hop perspective. Once for lost, but now we're found, we're giving all strength to the hip-hop sound. Hip-hop won't stop. Hip-hop don't just stop. Hip-hop won't stop. Hip-hop don't just stop. We thought we'd explain what hip-hop's about. People and graffiti waves all started out. We break dance and carve and spray bubble letters. Cruise world tracks and logo sweaters.
Rush you up, rock to threaten your opponent. Then into footwork and 6 step you went. Round and backspin freeze. People went to passing what the way he is. Into the circle comes the next hip hop. Who puts we're gonna strike now for the showstopper. Spinning around and around till you say stop.
Now show me the hip-hop, back and forward and back again. While the favorite song the DJ did spin, fade to windmill and change to fly. Name people is not something you buy.
Are we addicted to hip-hop? Yes, there's more to hip-hop than just fashion and hip. Once we lost, but now we found. We're giving all thanks to the hip-hop sound.
Hip-hop won't stop. Hip-hop don't just stop. Hip-hop won't stop. Hip-hop don't just stop.
We'd like to give a special shout out to the Universal Zulu Nation in Africa, Bambata, Rocksteady Crew, Battle Squad, and all B-boys and girls worldwide.
Hip-hop won't stop. Hip-hop don't just stop. Hip-hop won't stop. Hip-hop don't
Now that I'm
just
straight
stop.
from the hip-hop to hip-hop, I learned a new trick for hip-hop to work. We all gotta move quick. Set aside all differences and work together. The ass kissing might just take forever.
Organize people for the mains of Africa. What's with the albinos, a greedy motherfucker? Educate the masses so you know you're not stranded. Put the underground for the rap bandit.
I'm down with rap because I'm from the old school. Learning a lot of lessons from hanging with the new school. New squad, the new and OPP. All that shit sounding foreign to me.
Then I got the blood from a downtown old school sound. Now I'm rolling with the papers rolling in the underground. Make a beat down, ripping the sound from me just playing the Cape Town.